illustration 29. When there is regular drawings at quarterly intervals. So quarterly intervals and regular drawings, not irregular. Calculate interest on drawings of Siddhant at 10% per annum for the year ended 31st March 2020. In each of the following alternative cases, first case is if they withdrew rupees 60,000 in the beginning of each quarter. In the beginning of each quarter, rupees 60,000 is withdrew amount. And second case is if withdrew 60,000 at the end of each quarter. And third case, if withdrew 90,000 at the middle of each quarter. So three alternative situations they have given. First one we can discuss now. So total drawings for first case, if withdrew rupees 60,000 in the beginning of each quarter, that is 60,000. So which means total drawings in case 1 and case 2 only 60,000 into 4 months, because 1 quarter 60,000, because 4 quarter is equal to 12 months. 12 months is equal to 1 year. 1 quarter is equal to 3 months only. So 4 into 3 are 12. 12 is an year. So that 60,000 will be multiplied by 4 and we will get the answer 2,40,000. Okay. In that case, case 1, average period we have to calculate. We have discussed already about it, beginning of each month and each quarter also. So it is a quarter wise, beginning of each quarter. 12 plus 3 is equal to 15 divided by 2 is equal to 7.5 months. And interest on drawings, how we can calculate per year? 2,40,000 into that 7.5 divided by 12 into number as per partnership did, how many percentages they have allowed? 10%. 10 divided by 100, right? That 10%. So finally we are getting answer 15,000. 15,000 is the answer for first case. And second case, you see second case, if he withdrew rupees 60,000 at the end of each quarter. End of each quarter. So in that sense, 3 months completely gone. That is 90th day. 90th day. So 1 month completely, 3 months completely gone. 1 quarter completely gone. So which means 12 minus 3 is equal to 9 months. 9 plus 0 months, no remaining months. So 9 plus 0, 9 months only. 9 by 2 is equal to 4.5 is the answer. So we will calculate only for 4.5 months for end of each quarter. And answer will be 2,40,000, because 60,000 will be multiplied by 4. 2,40,000. 2,40,000 into 4 by 5 divided by 12. That is the month what we have calculated the average period for end of each quarter. And how many percentages as per partnership did? 10%. So answer will be 9,000. And case 3. Case 3, that is mid of each quarter. At the same time amount is differing. Total drawings in the case 3, rupees 90,000 per quarter. 90,000 into 4 are 3,60,000. So 3,60,000, for 3,60,000 we have to calculate. It is mid of each quarter. Mid of each quarter. So mid of each quarter means 1 quarter will contains 90 days. 90 divided by 2 is equal to 45 days. 45 days will be contains 1.5 months. So 1.5 months will be deducted from 12 month, and remaining 1.5 month will be added after deducted that 1.5 month from 12. Right? Actually 12 months in a year. So in that 1.5 month will be deducted and 1.5 month will be added. So if 1.5 month is deducted from 12 month, 10.5 months, then 1.5 month will be added. Then 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6 month. So this is mid of each quarter. So mid of each quarter is 6 months. So 3,60,000 into 6 by 12 into 10 by 100. Because 10 by 100 as per partnership did 10 by 100. Then answer will be 18,000.